Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to transform your living space or just want to stay updated with the latest trends, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 10 living room design trends that are gonna be taking over in 2025. From cozy vibes to bold statements, these ideas will inspire your next living room makeover. Let's jump right in. First up, we have earthy tones and natural materials. You can use shades of terracotta, beige, olive green, and warm browns. Pair these colors with natural materials like wood, jute, rattan, and linen for a calm, grounded vibe. This trend brings the outdoors in, creating a space that feels both cozy and connected to nature. Move over minimalism, maximalism is gonna be making a statement in 2025. Living rooms are becoming a canvas for self-expression with bold patterns, rich colors, and curated collections of art, books, and decor. Layering is key. Think mismatched cushions, patterned rugs, and plenty of texture to bring personality and charm into the space. The focal point of living rooms? Statement sofas. From vibrant hues to unconventional shapes, these pieces are becoming a bold centerpiece. Velvet and leather are trending materials, and curved or asymmetrical designs add a contemporary flair. Don't be afraid to go big with color or experiment with unique forms to elevate your space. Texture is to be the king in 2025. Mixing different materials, like pairing a soft bukla chair with a sleek metal coffee table or a plush velvet sofa with a rugged jute rug, creates a rich, layered look. The interplay of textures adds depth and visual interest, making your living room feel both cozy and sophisticated. Sustainable and eco-friendly design. Sustainability remains a top priority in 2025. Opt for furniture and decor made from recycled or responsibly sourced materials. Vintage and second-hand finds are also in vogue, offering unique pieces with a smaller environmental footprint. Green certifications and upcycled designs are the way forward for eco-conscious homeowners. Biophilic design. Nature-inspired design is continuing to thrive. Biophilic living rooms integrate greenery, natural light, and organic shapes to foster a connection with the outdoors. Indoor plants, living walls, and large windows that frame outdoor views are essential elements of this trend, promoting wellness and a serene ambience. Smart technology integration. The living room of 2025 seamlessly incorporates technology without compromising aesthetics. Smart TVs, integrated sound systems, and hidden charging stations keep the space functional and clutter-free. Voice-activated lighting, automated curtains, and smart thermostats elevate convenience while maintaining a sleek, modern look. Bold accent walls. Accent walls are back and bolder than ever. Whether it's a deep jewel tone, a dramatic wallpaper, or a textured finish like lime wash or plaster, these statement walls add a dynamic element to your living room. For those who prefer a subtler approach, oversized art pieces can achieve a similar effect. Curved furniture and soft edges. Sharp lines are softening in 2025 with the rise of curved furniture and organic shapes. Sofas, chairs, and coffee tables with rounded edges bring a sense of fluidity and calm to the living room. This trend balances contemporary design with a touch of nostalgia, creating a welcoming and harmonious space. Minimalist lighting statements. Lighting in 2025 will be all about minimalism with impact. Sculptural pendant lights, slimline floor lamps, and understated wall sconces add elegance without overwhelming the space. Materials like frosted glass, brushed metal, and natural fibers complement the overall design, serving as functional art pieces within the room. There you have it. Living room trends. You can look forward in 2025. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.